As my birthday gets closer, I'm resetting my space and my spirit. This cleanup isn't about dust or clutter. It's about making room for the woman I'm growing into. New age, new energy. So today, I reset, I release, and I realign. Welcome to my reset vlog. I'm AIG. Welcome to my digital diary.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like this. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only feel like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
It's very, very important. Is how did the room become this messy? You know, it happens sometimes. It does. It does happen sometimes. Yeah, wondering what am I doing there? I want to check if it's still recording because I can't claim all of this without you seeing me. So that's what I'm doing. Am I tired? Yes, I'm getting tired. Going upstairs with all of those things got me tired for a while, but I'm still just gonna do this regardless. Yeah, I am. I am going to do this regardless because this will just have to be clean. Yes, it has to be clean. And I mean clean, real clean. This is absolutely just like detoxifying. So I'm actually detoxifying my room right now. You get. So that's what I'm doing. Lovely. That's why there are a lot of packages all around on the dining table. How I've been living without you, daydreaming on a cloud with you like a horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time I'm waking up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone without you. So I come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you there. Maybe sometimes I see life as a wire. It just gets so intertwined that you get confused sometimes. You don't even know what you're doing. You don't know the direction you're taking it to for real. You don't. Just tell me
explain to me why this wire is so intertwined, like so, for no simple reasons. Now this is getting me so tired and frustrated in this reset cleaning that I'm doing right now, but I'm not just going to relent my effort, because what's the stats if there's no finish? I don't know if you get my point. What I'm saying is, whatever you decide to do in life, make sure that this is going to let you be like this. It should come this way. This is so much dragging with this. Hey. There's so much dragging with this, really. Just need to get something to tie this down. Now, I'm just going to put the extension box here. You know what? Just find your way around life sometimes. Life will always be life. Try to find your way around it. Yeah. I think I'm done with this part. Yeah, I'm done with that part. And yeah, this stays here. Are you still there? Just checking if you're still there. Thank you all for resetting with me as I step into this new chapter of my life and choosing peace, clarity, and growth. Here's to becoming the woman I'm meant to be, one clean space, one soft moment at a time. See you all in the next chapter. Subscribe for more vibes, and I'll see you all in the next video. This is Becoming Always Haji. Bye for now.